All right, so you could just put this on a ledge and just lean it against a wall, or if you want to hang it on the wall, we need to put a little hanger on it. So I've got some of these sawtooth hangers here and a couple of little nails that come with it. I'm going to put a hanger on it. So first step is to measure the center point so that we know we have it in the center. And I just mark that with some pencil. And then I'm gonna put it in the middle of that. There's a little mark that shows you the middle of it. So I'm gonna hold, or I'm gonna put that there. I've got it again on the towel so that while I'm putting this in, I'm not scratching the surface. I'm using a pair of tweezers to hold the nail. You could use a pair of needle nose pliers. And I have a hammer with a really short handle that my husband, who's in construction, thinks is absolutely hilarious and ridiculous, but in all honesty, he probably uses that hammer more than I do at home. So I just put the nail in just part way so that I could put the second one in to hold it in place. Once the nail is in there, I can take the tweezers off. I've got my nail going in a little bit crooked. Perfect. Now the nails that come with this are really tiny nails, so I don't have to worry about them going through the surface of the resin. If by chance whatever hangers you got had longer nails, you'd want to have shorter ones. You want to make sure that they're not thicker than the front because you definitely don't want them going through the surface. But there we go. Now it's ready to hang.